Welcome everyone, my name is Cody Wise, aka Rare Ass NFTs on X. I'm the community manager of Billions Club, and today we're going to be showing you guys a beginner's guide on meme coin trading in the Solana ecosystem, okay? Let's get started. What are meme coins? Meme coins are cryptocurrencies inspired by internet memes, often characterized by their community-driven nature and viral popularity. Some of these examples include Dogecoin and Dog with Hat, which have gained significant traction in the crypto market recently. Both of these coins 100x to 1000x depending on where you got in. Solana 101. The question is, what is Solana? Solana is a high-performance blockchain known for its speed, scalability, and low fees, making it ideal for meme coin trading. Its innovative proof of history combined with its proof of stake enhances transaction speed and efficiency. Now, that sounds very technical, but in short, Solana is the best crypto blockchain for trading meme coins. It's fast, it's cheap, and the coin grows. Like Solana went from $7 to $200 in less than a year last year. Okay, now the next question, how do I buy Solana? Depending where you are, what region you are, where you live in the world, there's different exchanges, central exchanges to purchase Solana from using your bank, using your native currency, okay? Here's the top 3 that we recommend. Coinbase, it's the biggest, it's the most known. If you're in Canada or USA, you can use Coinbase. Personally, I'm from Canada, so I use BitBuy. It's a popular Canadian exchange that supports buying Solana with Canadian dollars, okay? And for all my Mexican users or Latin and Central American users, you can use Bitso. Bitso supports Solana purchases with Mexican pesos. Okay, now that you have Solana on a centralized exchange, you're going to need to send it over to your DeFi wallet. Now, what is a DeFi wallet? Well, in order to buy, sell, and trade meme coins, you need to have a secure and user-friendly wallet for holding your Solana or USDC and interacting with Solana-based tokens, aka meme coins. We recommend Solflare or Phantom Wallet, and they're both available on the App Store and Google Play Store. I personally use Solflare, so I recommend Solflare. Now, you got your Solana on your decentralized wallet, whether it's Phantom, whether it's Solflare. Now what? Here are some of the apps or websites that we use to purchase coins, to look at charts, and to look at data and analytics on each coin so that we can make better decisions when to buy, when to sell, and when to hold, okay? So first one is birdeye.so. In short, this is your gateway to Solana meme coins. Birdeye is a powerful decentralized exchange, aka a DEX, for the Solana blockchain. It provides users with access to a wide range of Solana-based tokens and trading pairs. Next one is dexscreener.com. This provides analytics for Solana traders, okay? It's a comprehensive analytics platform for DEXs on Solana, offering charts, data, deep insights, and advanced tools for traders. You could see trending coins, you could set alerts, you could look at new pairs, and you can look at the top gaining coins and the top losing coins, okay? And last, Pump Fun. This is a community-driven microcap coin platform. It's a platform that focuses on new coins and coin creation, which also allows users to get in early. If you're lucky, you can buy a coin under 50k market cap and ride it to 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, and if you're really lucky, 1 billion. You can make a lot of money in crypto meme coin trading. I've seen it happen. People in Billions Club have flipped $70 accounts into 100k accounts. Our founder Elio, he turned 1 Solana into 100 Solana 100k very recently, within a month. This is not impossible. Is it rare? Is it hard? Do you have to be in the right community? Yes. But is it possible? Yes. Okay. Now, Billions Club. This is how it works. First, you have to express interest. You're watching this video right now. You're probably halfway interested. Now, you simply have to message us or DM us on Twitter. Just express interest. After that, when you're ready to go, you could pay your membership fee. So when we accept your interest or your invitation, you could pay your fee of $599 paid in Solana, sent to our treasury wallet, our Billions Club treasury wallet, okay? After you do that, you could take a screenshot and send it to us for proof, and then you will be verified. After that, we will send you a direct link so you can get access to the group chat. Now, what does it entail to become a member? What do you get? What are some of the benefits? In short, you get an exclusive membership. You are now a Billions Club member. We have members from all around the world. So when you travel, you have friends in different parts of the world. Being a member, you get to stay ahead of market trends, connect with us, and seize opportunities. We share all of the alpha. If you're just watching the chart or the chat and then you plug in whatever we say to buy, you can make a lot of money. Okay? Second of all, trading education. If you're a rookie, if you're a new crypto trader, no worries. We'll take you from beginner to intermediate to expert. We'll share you the tools you need to succeed, and we will give you the guidance you need, okay? Leading to my third point, community support. You could tap into our collective knowledge as a group and our global community. We have a lot of insight to share.